Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarships Corner. In this video, I'll be talking about Bali International Student Festival, which is an international conference for students all around the world. It is an opportunity for you to excel in different fields of life by interacting with students and professionals of different nationalities. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to get daily updates about scholarships, fellowships, internships, and much more. Also, don't forget to join us on our Telegram channel as well. You can find the link in the description or in the community tab of channel. The International Youth Festival, with collaboration of the Indonesian Youth Foundation, provides the student a great chance to experience the rich Indonesian culture, as this festival aims to bring all the participants together who are willing to exchange ideas and cultures. The International Conference 2021 consists of themes that are of great importance in the post-pandemic world. As well aware of the change that the world has experienced due to the outbreak of pandemic, less is known about its great impact on youth. According to the Global Survey of Youth in COVID-19, the most affected people are from age 18 to 19. The pandemic has affected them in their employment, education, and mental health. The effects are deep and long-lasting. So this Bali International Youth Friendship Conference aims to formulate measures that are necessary to minimize the effects of pandemic on young people, especially young women and the youth in developing and poor countries. The themes of Bali International Youth Virtual Conference are elaborative towards the impact of pandemic. For instance, the panel's description of the digital economy and technology illustrates that COVID-19 has accelerated the rise of both of them. But on the other hand, it has badly affected the mental health of people. Tourism has seen negative slide, and above all, the youth become disempowered mainly due to the loss of job and isolation. So this 3-day online Bali conference aims to uplift the young participants in these tormented times. The conference is organized by International Youth Foundation, and this is an online or virtual conference from July 15 to July 18. Now let's talk about the benefits of Bali International Student Festival. All the participants will be awarded a certificate of participation. The participants will have an opportunity to explore Balinese and Indonesian culture. You'll get a chance to interact with the students from Indonesian universities as well as the students from around the world. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria of Bali International Student Festival. You must be 18 years old and not more than 29 years old to be eligible. The students who are enrolled in college or university on the date of conference are encouraged to apply. The graduates and young activists are also encouraged to apply. The participants are expected to be proficient in English. Young students, professionals of any nationality can apply. How to apply for Bali International Festival? Well, you need to fill an online application form. You also require your motivational letter and your CV. The last date to apply is June 30th, 2021. Now let's see the application form and how to fill out the form. So this is the Google form which you need to fill. So first of all, you need to enter your email address, then your name, then you need to enter your date of birth, your nationality, your institution. It could be your school, university, or workplace. Then you need to enter your occupation. If you're a student, just write student. And then you need to enter your Telegram number, including the country code. Make sure you have this number signed up on Telegram because you can read the note here. The candidates will have to join a Telegram group in the end of this registration form. Now click on Next. Okay, so now you can see here, candidates need to choose up to 2 of the panels. That will be the main focus when participating in the festival. It is necessary to realize that the chosen panel theme will be the candidate's priority, but it cannot be denied if the selected theme panel is full and exceeds the quota, and candidates will be moved to some other panel. So first of all, what panel do you want to join and discuss more in festival? Select one of the option, and then we have the second choice. What panel do you want to join and discuss more? Select your second priority and click on Next. Now you need to upload some files on this page. First of all, you need to follow the Instagram account of @BISF2021. Take a screenshot and upload the screenshot on here. Then you also need to follow the account on Instagram at Indonesia Youth Foundation. Take a screenshot and upload it over here. Then you need to share the poster of BISF 2021 on any of your social media account, be it Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, anywhere, and upload the screenshot on here. Then you need to upload your letter of motivation file. It should be minimum 300 words and maximum 400 words. Make sure the file is in PDF format. Then you need to upload your CV, which should be in English language and in PDF form. You will upload the file here. Then click on Next. In the last page, you want to answer this question: why do you want to join Bali International Student Festival? It should be maximum 1000 characters. The next question is, do you consent your answer will be published by BISF on their social media platform? Select Yes, and then click on Submit. That's how you'll fill up the application form. The last date to apply for this event is June 30, 2021. So you have like 3 days to apply. So hurry up and apply for this amazing, exciting International Student Festival. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow us on our social media handles. Thanks for watching. For more amazing and useful content, you can also join us on our Telegram channel. You can access the link which is present in the community tab. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.